Hi, welcome to MESD Technology. My name is Narayan Hajra. I am the co-founder of MESD Technology. Today, I am going to introduce one of my course, which is newly introduced in India at this stage with my company, which is a C#, which is based on .NET, definitely .NET Framework, and it's a Microsoft .NET Framework. This course is designed for the .NET developer who want to be a web app developer, or who want to be a .NET developer, definitely who wants to be a mobile app developer in iOS, Android, Windows, and web app developer. This course is it has two perspectives in major. One is it can be used as a summer internship for engineering students, and it also can be used as a Microsoft certification of C#, and every course details is available as per our training goes on. Definitely one area definitely will be the same for both, but after that it has two different way. So what I'm going to say today is I will slightly discuss about the course structure, and then I will tell you in brief why we learn C#, and then I will give you some benefits of C#, and I will certainly analyze the outcome of the course, which I can expect from your side, and as well as you also can expect from my side. You will get the answer definitely. About this course, as I told you already, this course has the two perspectives. One is a Microsoft certification of C#, it's a global certification definitely. Another one is you can use in the summer internship, and in the summer internship case you will get the live code project, and Microsoft certification you will get the full guide for the Microsoft certification, and then you will get the demo exam. And then if you want to do a live project with us, we will definitely try to help you to do that. And for the summer internship, you will definitely get a summer internship project which you can show in your CV, as well as in industry, and as well as you also can show it in your institute, as it is required for second and third year BTech students. And in this case, it also has a three different you can say level. One is the beginner level, one is the intermediate, and another is the advanced level in this course. In the beginner level, I will assume that you don't know anything about object-oriented programming, which can be sorted as OOPS, and it's a object-oriented programming, OOP. I will use that one in between this slide quite largely. Anyway, and if you know something about object-oriented programming, or OOPS, then you can choose the intermediate option, because on that case I will assume that you know about OOPS but you don't know about C#. So I will start from the C#, and I will never say what is OOPS or what is the benefit of OOPS, definitely. And in the advanced stage you will get is the advanced topic, such as design pattern of the C#, then WP desktop app. But if you want to do from beginners to advanced, we have that long-term course as well in this feature. And this is I will describe them as a month certification for both of them, but I will not recommend too much. Anyways, you can go through. For that you can call us, and you can discuss with me what is the procedure to do that. And as we told you that there is an option to work with a real life project, and that is definitely we will do that. Now, why we use C#? Why C#? It's the biggest question, I guess, now in this program. Okay, let me give you two options. It's based on OOP, as I told you, right? Object-oriented programming. Yes. So you can tell me Java is there, sir. C++ is there, Divya. I will say yes. I will not argue with you. I just say yes. Okay, let's go in the second point. My second point is the C-based language. You will say object-oriented programming, C-based language. Okay, C++ is there. Why I will run C Sharp? It's not looking like a Sharp even. Anyway, C has, someone says. Anyways, but in the third point and fourth point, I will emphasize why. I think who work in the C already, he knows about how you need to handle your memory space. But in the case of C Sharp, do not think about this. It will automatically done in a garbage collector. And this I will teach you step by step. And if you already know about something in C Sharp, you already know things. I think you already know about this one. And it is very important for design pattern. And last thing but not least is the cross-platform development. What is cross-platform? I will let you know in the next slide. Is the benefit of C Sharp? Obviously, is a good fundamental concept of OPS. Obvious, nothing to say in detail. Help to run other OPS. Every co-author can try to help you to learn about the same author. Anyways, is nothing new. Then you can learn about .NET framework, which is bonus with this C Sharp. You can get a chance to work with most desired framework in the world at this stage by Microsoft, which is .NET, and you can work with them. Yes, in Java, I think. Anyways, next thing, help to understand cross-platform. Now again, points come to the cross-platform. What do I mean about this cross-platform once? Anyway, it's nothing else. What is cross-platform? Cross-platform is you will write one code. You will write one code. And it will run in iOS, in Android, in Windows Phone, and web app. You can say I am crazy. No, I am not crazy. I am saying true to you that you can do that. How? We will teach you. Don't worry. It is a purely cross-platform language, C Sharp. So, I can say in one word, means in one sentence, definitely, all in one. Wow. Next. This outcome, but I will now discuss one thing, why I say all in one. Okay, nowadays you can see that some company required Android developer, but they don't require iOS developer. So if you are an Android developer, you will not get job. Wow, that's bad. Again, some company required iOS developer, but they do not require Android developer, but you don't know how to develop iOS app, then you will not get job. But if you know this code properly, Xamarin, you can work in Android and iOS. So you will have both developer as well as Windows developer. So your workspace will be bigger than a normal Android developer. I know Android developer has the one craze, and one funny thing is there, it's a really funny, every app will be in the native language. So Android app will be the Android native language, iOS app will be the iOS native language, Windows app will be the Windows native language. So don't worry about that. So after finishing this full course, what I can expect from you, this is this thing I can expect that you can, if anyone do the basics, you can start, you can write a programming in data types. You can identify all data types in C Sharp. You can make a decision statement, and you can also do the repetition of the program. You obviously can do the programming, object-oriented programming in C Sharp. You can create and use the methods. You can use computer structure and collection. You can work with generics, handle events, write delegates definitely, and you can use link, use threading, multitasking, and parallel programming. And another important thing, you can write asynchronously program. So This all almost who are doing from the beginners, but who are doing from the intermediate, I can expect that you can know about the design pattern of the C#, and who are doing the advanced module, they should know about WPF, design pattern, and cross-platform, the Xamarin. Okay, so that's, I think I will expect from all of this. I didn't update all of that. I basically emphasize on the who are starting from the basics, but I will give you the lecture in this video. You can see that I am starting to do that in C# and everything basically. And I also have one course, I will shortly release that course. Definitely is a Xamarin for beginners, and as well as Xamarin for an advanced user, Xamarin for intermediate as well. And again, I will also give you another course in my website. It will be the pure.NET developer, how to become a .NET developer and what course you need to do, and Microsoft certification, this all thing. And you will get the brief history of our object aim of our company in my company welcome presentation definitely. And now this is this thing I can expect from your side. And another thing which I basically required from your side, that you should have Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition by Microsoft, which is freely available in the internet. You can download the online installer file, because they don't have any ISO file or offline file still now. So you need to download the web installer, then you double click it, and then you need to install all of these things. I will make one video of that one, how to install Visual Studio with the help of Xamarin. It will take almost 50 GB of your disk space, so be careful on that. It's a huge software, but you can develop game, you can develop Xamarin, yeah, everything at all. So that's the final thing I'm telling to you, that I required this thing from you. And I wish that you will be interested in beginners, advanced, and intermediate course, and you can contact with me definitely on my contact number 9836590025. And you also can visit my Facebook page, which is the MESD Technology. I will definitely share that one with you. So see you soon in my course front of you. Okay, thank you, bye bye.